Aft baggage door operation. Opening the aft baggage door. First, push the push button on the door operating handle to release the handle from the recess. Allow 5 to 8 seconds for the inflatable seal to fully deflate before turning the handle to avoid damaging the seal. With both hands, turn the handle 90 degrees in the direction of the arrows to unlock the door and open it. Lift the door up enough to get access to the telescopic strut. Holding the door with one hand, press on the end of the strut to release it from the stowed position. Then swing the strut downward. Pull on the lock mechanism release pin to extend the telescopic strut fully. Make sure it locks. Failure to do so can cause the door to fall unexpectedly and cause injury to you or damage to the door. Guide, but do not push, the door up to the open position. Attach the free end of the strut to the receptacle on the lower left side of the door opening. Closing the aft baggage door. Warning: do not pull the lock mechanism release pin while the strut is still attached to the bracket on the fuselage. If you do this, the door can fall, possibly causing injury to personnel or damage to equipment. Start by removing the telescopic strut from the receptacle. Pull down on the strut to lower the door about halfway. At this point, you can unlock and collapse the strut. Then lock it in that position. Swing the strut into the stowed position, pressing the end to fit it into the bracket. Continue to lower the door to the fully lowered position, firmly pushing inward and upward on the door with both hands. The door operating handle will rotate clockwise to the horizontal position. Push on the handle in line with the shaft, pressing the handle back into the recess. Make sure the handle is flush with the door surface and stays in the locked position. The lock plate must be flat and flush with the handle. If the red indicator strip is visible, press on the lock plate to seat it properly, or the handle could pop out in flight. Should this occur, a fuselage door warning will be triggered in the cockpit, and the airplane must turn back.